Learn how you can increase your PC's boot speed by disabling startup apps by watching this video till the end. Hey, you are watching Silicophilic, where we help you solve tech issues. If your PC is slow while booting, you can try disabling the startup apps. This will quicken the booting speed as Windows will no longer need to load those apps at startup. This can be done simply, and here we will show you how to do it. Before we get into the solutions, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. Now, let's jump into the steps. Right-click on the taskbar and select the Task Manager option. Click on the Startup tab next. Here, you will see the apps that can start on startup. You can check their startup impact and decide whether you want to disable it. Higher startup impact means Windows will take longer to load them while booting. Right-click on the app you want to disable and select the Disable option. So that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.